In today's exercise, I'm going to demonstrate how to do an alternating dumbbell anterior shoulder raise. Alright? So the first thing you need is just a pair of dumbbells, and that's it. So this exercise targets the anterior part of the delts. Alright? So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and pick up my dumbbells. And when it comes to my starting position, I'm going to go ahead and have my feet about shoulder distance apart, slight bend in the knees. I'm going to bring both of my arms in front of me like this. But now I'm going to go ahead and roll the shoulders back, push the butt out, keep the chest up, and then I'm going to go ahead and perform the exercise. Now when I'm coming up, have a slight bend in the elbow and bring the arm to the midline of your body. Nice and controlled. You want to really prevent a lot of the jerking motion and really focus all the resistance on the shoulder. And this is how you do an alternating dumbbell anterior shoulder raise.